Hello everyone, welcome to Word Glow, where simple English helps you grow, and small words create powerful change. Today's video is not just about English. It is about your life. It is about your dreams. Let me ask you something. Do you have a dream? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want confidence. Maybe you want to speak English clearly. Maybe you want to make your parents proud. If you have a dream, this video is for you. Today, we will talk about one simple idea. Dream big, but start small. So relax, listen carefully, and let these words stay with you. Part 1. Everyone has a dream. Every human being has a dream. Some people dream loudly, some people dream quietly. Some people are afraid to say their dream. But the dream is still there. You may say, "My English is weak. I am not smart. I am too late. I am too old." But dreams do not care about your age. Dreams do not care about your past. Dreams only ask one question: are you ready to try? Part 2. Why people stop dreaming. Many people stop dreaming, not because they don't want success, but because they are afraid of failure. They see others speaking English fluently. They see others living better lives, and they think, "I can never be like them." Slowly, they stop believing. They choose comfort instead of growth. They choose excuses instead of effort. But let me tell you something important. Big dreams are not broken by failure. They are broken by fear. Part 3. Dream. Big does not mean act. Big, many learners think, if I dream big, I must do big things. That is wrong. Dreaming big does not mean studying 5 hours. It does not mean speaking perfect English. It does not mean changing everything today. Dream big means think big in your heart, but move small with your feet. Small steps, small actions, every day. Part 4. A simple story. Let me tell you a short story. There was a boy named Aman. Aman dreamed of speaking English. He wanted confidence. He wanted respect. But every time he tried, people laughed at his mistakes. So he stopped. One day, Aman made a small decision. He said, "I will not speak perfect English. I will speak simple English." Every day, he spoke one sentence, even if it was wrong, even if his voice shook. After 1 year, Aman was not perfect, but he was confident. That confidence changed his life. Part 5. Why simple English is powerful. Simple English is not weak English. Simple English is clear English. Simple English is brave English. When you speak simple English, you are understood, you feel confident, you keep learning. Perfect English comes later. Confidence comes first. Dream big, but speak simple. Part 6. Dream big for your family. Think about your parents. They worked hard. They sacrificed comfort. They believed in you. Your dream is not only yours, it belongs to them too. When you learn English, you open new doors. When you grow, your family grows. Dream big, not only for yourself, but for the people who believe in you. Part 7. Daily small actions. Here is a simple daily plan. 5 minutes listening. Listen to easy English videos. 5 minutes speaking. Speak one idea aloud. 5 minutes repeating. Repeat sentences slowly. 5 minutes believing. Say, "I am learning. I am improving." That's it. 20 minutes a day. That is enough to change your future. Part 8. Motivation. When you feel tired. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel lazy. Some days you will feel like stopping. That is normal. But remember this. You don't need motivation every day. You need discipline. Even tired steps move you forward. Even slow progress is progress. Part 9. Your dream is valid. Never let anyone say, "Your dream is too big. Your English is too weak. You can't do it." People talk from their limits. You live from your potential. Dream big. even if others don't understand. Part 10. Imagine your future self. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself speaking English calmly. Imagine confidence in your voice. Imagine opportunities coming to you. That future version of you is waiting, and every small step today brings you closer. Thank you for watching Word Glow. If this video touched your heart, like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel. Remember this always. Dream big in your heart. Start small with your actions, and never stop believing. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Keep glowing.